Instagram are currently testing a new feature called Lately, which allows your story posts to be shown on your profile for 7 days. So any post that I make to my story, it will now be shown in the highlights feature under Lately for 7 days. And this is a new feature, and I'm going to explain what it is, how it works, and how you can get it on your Instagram account. So right now I'm on my personal Instagram. I post a lot on stories, and this Lately feature allows me to enable it. And once it's enabled, every story that I post, it will be shown on my profile for up to 7 days. So I think it's a pretty good feature. They are testing it at the minute. I believe they are beta testing it with users that have highlights already and users that already post a lot of stories. Now, if you want to enable it, or if you want to see if you've got it, go to your highlights, then click on edit, and then you'll see here show lately. If this is available, then the setting will be here, and here's where you can toggle it. Once you toggle it, it will automatically feature your stories from the last 7 days in a highlight, and then you can remove that at any time. So what do you think of this feature? Do you have this feature? Let me know in the comment section below. I think it's pretty good because if you post a lot on stories, they disappear in 24 hours, but with this feature, they stick around for 7 days. So I hope that quick video did help you out.